Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to show you these silicone key fob covers. This one is pretty close to the Voodoo blue color, which is why I got this one to match the truck. It's not a perfect match, but it's close enough. So check the video description and I'll show you where you can pick these up on Amazon. For the Toyota key fobs, you notice that they do have a slight difference in these two. The one on the left is for the Sequoia, so it does have that trunk release. Other than that, these key fobs do look pretty much the same. So you can buy these in 2 packs, and the colors, they have a few different colors. Red, I think, was another one, but you just want to make sure you're getting the right one for your key fob for the number of buttons that you have. On the inside, you can see where it has 2 small little bulges that will go over the buttons themselves, and this works out if your buttons are rubbed off. Then this is a very cheap way to fix that. So just a silicone cover really doesn't take too much explanation. You just slide it in. And what I did like is how it does leave the hole open so you can see the Toyota logo. And how long these will last as far as rubbing off, I don't know, but it worked pretty good for being a very cheap replacement. So check the video description. I'll show you where you can buy the 2 packs of these. And everything seemed to work out for both of the Sequoia or the Tundra in this case. So we're going to go ahead and slide the cover on for the Sequoia. And it's nice you don't even have to take anything off for the key ring or anything like that. It just slides right over the top. So very inexpensive way to protect the key. It probably won't do much better for dropping it or anything like that, but I really liked how it worked out. So you still have access to open and get the spare key out of the side, so that wasn't a problem. And just a nice, fun little cover to help protect your key fobs. So anyway, let me know what you think. I'm happy with it for its price. It's really inexpensive for a 2-pack of them, and the blue is a lot of fun. So anyway, please check the video description. I'll put links where you can pick these up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.